Welcome to my YouTube channel, Arabic Language with Khaled, for beginners. Thanks to this, you will be able to discover the Arabic language and immerse yourself in it little by little, since at the start of each learning process. And to make it easier to learn this beautiful language, I have prepared very easy and very well animated videos for you. To do this, you will have to repeat each lesson several times in order to memorize the contents, since the lessons are progressive and the following ones depend on the previous ones. Thanks to my YouTube channel, we will study together the 28 Arabic letters, the 3 short vowels, the 3 long vowels, the 3 double vowels, the spelling change of the 28 Arabic letters, how to discriminate letters auditorily and spellingly, how to identify letters in words, especially when they change spelling, and other content related to learning Arabic. From the first lesson, you will discover that the contents are easy to understand. And if this is not the case, you can contact me so that I can explain it to you. Whatever goals you want to achieve by learning Arabic language, my courses will help you achieve it. I wish you will appreciate my lessons and my method. Good luck in your learning of the Arabic language with me. Let's discover the first lesson,